Opening with the king's pawn controls the center and opens up the light-squared bishop and queen, often leading to sharp games. The French defense prepares for d5, but blocks in the light-squared bishop in exchange for a strong center and counterattacking chances. d4 grabs full control of the center and opens up the dark-squared bishop. d6 is a timid move that doesn't take as much space as d5, but does control the e5 and d5 squares. Develops the knight and attacks the center. They made one of the top moves in this position. Good job, that's what I would have played too. This move fianchettos their bishop, placing it on a strong diagonal. This move activates your knight to strengthen control over the center. They bring out their knight, increasing their control over the center. Yes, this is the way. It was an even game, but now you have the advantage. You are threatening to kick a bishop. You had the upper hand, and now your position is winning. That was a fair trade. A straightforward recapture. Developing your bishop strengthens your opening setup. Their knight comes into play, attacking the center. You develop a bishop, which means you move it from its starting position. You get a chance to eventually win material. This is the way to win material. They are right on target. This is the way to win material. They missed a chance to create a passed pawn. You get a chance to create a passed pawn. Your opponent will have to keep an eye on that passed pawn. Their pawn attacks your knight, kicking it out of its current position. Taking that knight will win material for you after the follow-up trades. A clear recapture. You move the bishop to a better square. Their king steps away from the check by your bishop. Nice fork, you'll be winning a rook. You are now able to win material because the defender's pinned. You win material taking advantage of the pinned defender. They overlooked an opportunity to increase a bishop's scope by moving it to a better square. You are now able to create a passed pawn. You sacrificed your rook to secure a checkmate. They took your rook for free. Always feels nice to win.